All right, what's up, family? Yo. So this week, what I'm going to be looking for, and this one's going to be kind of an update to carrying on from last week's analysis that I posted for you guys. If y'all haven't seen last week's analysis, feel free to head on over to our channel and check out the previous analysis. But basically, update for this one, I'm looking for price action to actually now start to break up, and then I'm still going to be looking for that same 61.8 retracement. Right now, we do have a lot of liquidity basically just resting right here. So I do expect the fall. I mean, it could, in a perfect world, it could just fall from here, but I think it is going to go take that liquidity first before falling. So that's what I'm going to be looking for personally. And I'll probably be watching this from a 4-hour time frame. I'm just showing you guys on the 1-hour time frame. So this is what we're seeing right now. Currently, we're on a 5-wave pattern. So from the bottom structure, we've reached now wave 5. And I'm expecting this corrective structure to peak into that 61.8 range to potentially give us an ABC pattern and then a continuation down. We also have a potential head and shoulders pattern now forming here as well. So once this liquidity is taken anywhere above this high, we want to start looking for potential selling opportunities for EURUSD towards the downside. So this is the 16-hour time frame as well. And then this is the daily time frame. So I like to show you guys all of the main time frames that I use to trade on to, that I can see the best vision as far as what I see as well. So there are all of the time frames. The daily does look pretty good. Again, I still want to see that liquidity taken. We do have two key levels right here, especially one resting right above that 61.8 on price action. So again, if y'all are new to the channel, new to our videos, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all don't miss out on any future videos that I drop out for y'all for these trade setups. So if y'all are new, this is our trade indicator. So what I am looking to do personally is sell your USD at 1.10380. I'm going to have my personal stop loss at 1.11165, and I'm going to be looking to target right before the fourth wave ends at 1.07774. So that is your USD for us, and that's what we're going to be looking for this week. Also, if you guys would like more information, check out the description. You'll see information as far as for our mentoring services, our monthly signals package, our free Telegram chat room, YouTube, our Instagram, our Facebook. All of the information is down below in the description, so feel free to check that out. All right, guys, that's all I have for y'all. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's weekend, and we will see you guys on the next trade analysis.